Hello everyone. Let's see question number 13. Observe the equations of the following chemical reaction. Zn plus FeSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Fe, 2Al plus 3ZnSO4 gives Al2SO4 thrice plus 3Zn. In the first reaction, iron is getting displaced by zinc. ZnSO4 is formed, and in the second reaction, that zinc is displaced by aluminium. That's why Al2SO4 is formed. So reactivity of aluminium is more than zinc, and least reactivity among these is iron. Least reactive is iron. So option A is the correct answer. Iron has least reactivity and zinc has reactivity in between iron and aluminium has the most reactivity. This is the order.